here today to talk about this whole new chapter in my life, and that is that of being a host and an RJ. तो एक सिंगर और परफॉर्मर से अब मैं इस रोल में भी आ गई हूँ, and I am hoping that all of y'all give the show Indie Hai Hum Season 2 that I'm hosting, which premieres on the 13th of February. I hope you guys give it all your love, watch the show, because independent artists through the country, we've got some talented bunch of artists who will be featured on the show. They will also be performing, and all artists doing different genres of music, from English, from doing rap to doing Gujarati folk to doing a lot of things. So we have a gamut of artists that are going to be part of the show. And yes, I am good, Ganesh. Thank you. I told you all, keep your questions ready and not just emojis. So I'm ready to take in your questions. Hi, Tawfiq from Bangladesh. Guys, so I am simultaneously live on both my Facebook handle and my Instagram handle. Yes. I am waiting for some questions. Thank you for all the lovely compliments that I see for my voice. Thank you. Alright, before I take your questions and I start answering your questions, I'll tell you all a little more about Indie Hai Hum Season 2, which is premiering on the 13th of February. A lot has gone into this show. There are going to be a total of 13 episodes, and along with the independent artists, there will also be artists from the music industry, and all of them are my friends, so it was very, very nice to know them a little more personally, because I usually meet everyone in the recording studios and never really उनसे वैसे बातें नहीं होती on a personal level. But this show is going to be a lot of fun. उनकी जर्नी के बारे में बात करेंगे, और उनके साथ कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गेम्स खेलेंगे. So yes. Okay. Soumya Sangvi on my Instagram is asking, what is your next song? Alright, so I just got an update for the next song. I'll give a little hint here. It's a collaboration with an artist that I've already collaborated with last year, and we're going to be shooting the song really, really soon. So keep guessing it. The song is releasing in the month of March, so stay tuned for my next release also. And हाँ, अभी तो एक गाना रिलीज हुआ with Jubin, मैं जिस दिन भुला दूँ, and okay, ये questions पढ़ना ना मेरे लिए बहुत. आप तन्हाई song गाइए. Yes, definitely I will hum a few lines of तन्हाई after I take a little more questions. Let's go to Facebook. Hi Navya, क्या बात करूँ आपसे? Hi Swapan Kumar, thank you for the love. Miss Maya says that his favorite song is Tanhai. Thank you so much, guys. Alright, I am very, very excited about the whole thing of turning host. मेरे लिए actually बहुत नया था. I've not done that before, but it's really good that I've gotten an opportunity, and a huge shout out to Red FM for all the support and love they've given to me through the show. 10 schedules we wrapped, so yeah, that was a lot of fun. Coming to the guests, there will be 12 guests. Of course, we have the independent artists, so either bands or individual musicians will be there. And terms of from the music industry. We have the first episode opens with Arman Malik and Aman Malik, the Malik brothers, and then we have a lot more artists lined up. There is Guru Randhava, Badshah, Palak Machal, Jubin Nautiyal, Dhwani Bhanushali, Yo-Yo Honey Singh. So there are a lot of all the artists who are doing independent music, Milind Gaba. So yeah, it was lot of fun meeting up with everyone. Yes, Ganesh says I have a surprise for you in the upcoming episodes of Indie Hai Hum. Wow, I am waiting for that surprise, Ganesh, and I'm sure all my TKians would know that there is a hashtag called Ask Tulsi Kumar, where you can ask me the questions even on the show, anything that you all want to know about me. तो वो भी एक चीज़ है जो आपको बताना चाहिए इंडियन सीजन 2 के बारे में. आपका नेक्स्ट लाइव शो कब है? नेक्स्ट लाइव शो गाइस इज इन मार्च. So yeah, I think the whole coronavirus settles. So yeah, like it's happening.
Baby breaking in.
All right, so I have someone here who wants to ask me a few questions. Manmeet from my team is here.
Okay, so somebody asked you this question: if you have to describe your experience as a host in one word, what would that word be?
वन वर्ड तो नहीं यार. एज अ होस्ट काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें करनी पड़ी. मुझे आदत नहीं है काइंड ऑफ रीड थ्रू स्क्रिप्ट्स एक्सेट्रा. मैं कुछ अपने मन में आता है वही बोल देती हूँ. बट I got the habit of reading through the script, and
सिटी के सामने ही तो है,
the
पर गेट
entire
दूर है.
experience was amazing. I learned so much, and हाँ, reviews में जो bites
ये अंदर ना जाए और बाहर बाहर में तो वही हॉल है ना, बाहर से कर दो.
Okay. So someone else asked, who amongst all the artists did you have the best fun shooting the
Can't
episode?
ask me this because I can't be mean. They all are my guests. Everyone was so much fun. Don't tell me to pick.
इधर रॉन्ग
But I
साइड
have
जाना.
my favorites.
इधर वाला.
I do have my favorites, but I'm sorry.
बस यहाँ से
I'm not
सामने
going to name
दीवार को
them.
जाना है, रोड क्रॉस करके.
Your fans also asked.
What are you eating? Looks like.
मुझे नहीं पता, मैं देख
अरे बाहर फिल्म सिटी का गेट है ना ये वाला.
Guys, this is my go-to food whenever I'm shooting and I feel I should not have salt. Of course, salt खाते ही जो है ना मेरा फेस काफ़ी ब्लोट हो जाता है, स्वेल अप हो जाता है. तो मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली सॉल्ट को कट करना पड़ता है. आई डोंट हैव अ इशू ऑफ पुटिंग ऑन वेट, बट तो इसलिए ये मैं खा रही हूँ. दीज आर ओट्स विद फ्रूट्स.
जो चाय वाली आंटी बैठती है ना, वहीं से बाहर निकलेंगे ना मेन हाईवे पे, तो मेन हाईवे पे निकल के सीधा आते मुड़ जाना, वो साइड जाना, वहाँ पे आगे कट से
A huge shout out to Nisha, who's always there with me. Last live में निशा भी आई थी. हाँ.
Great. So one of your fans asked if they are seeing you singing in the show.
बहुत ज़रूरी बात तो बताना भूल ही गई. So of course you'll see me doing 12 different songs. Every episode will have an unplugged performance by me, where I welcome my guests, give the performance, and I'm super thrilled क्योंकि वो 12 unplugged गाने बनाने में मुझे बहुत टाइम गया है. मतलब I had to do it within a very short span of time. So Red FM ने मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं दिया कुछ काम करने के लिए, but I managed to do a fairly okay job. I'm sure you guys will like this unplugged versions. Live questions इधर आ रहे हैं.
Somebody just asked, how much do you work out every day?
How much do I work out? यार ये पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे सबको लग रहा है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रही. थोड़े थोड़े वर्कआउट्स करती हूँ मैं. I try to go for a run sometimes, and yeah, जो मैंने कहा ना वो पूरा फर्क जो पड़ता है when you want to lose weight, it's all about not eating. I mean eating healthy. So you have to eat healthy. मैंने जैसे कि काशू डेट्स पे मैं I try and avoid salt at night, only at night. But that works for me. It might not work for you because I have the whole problem of water retention. मैं salt avoid करती हूँ, but workout ज़्यादा नहीं करती. I try and do basic stuff, and if I don't do any kind of workout, then I go for a run. I try to.
वहाँ जाते जाते सारा
I'm
बह
shooting
जाएगा,
for a new
सारा बह
song
जाएगा.
very soon, and I will take you. I will go live from the shoot, so it's very soon. So stay tuned for that live session also.
So a lot of people are asking you to hum a few lines for Behro Jaga Behro.
Thank you. पहले प्यार का पहला पहली बार है अकेला पहला है तन्हाई का ये मौसम अरे अभी जाओ वरना रो देंगे हम. That was Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla. And tune into the whole song. You can go and check it out on YouTube or on any of the streaming sites. Looking smart. Thanks, Sunny. ऐसे कुछ comments Facebook से भी पढ़ लेते हैं. Alright, everyone. On my Facebook page. Firstly, thank you and for joining in. And I know I do a Facebook live very rarely, so I will do that more often. And yeah, Indie है हम season 2 releases on the 13th of February, where you will see me, Tulsi Kumar, as the host, and it's also going to be airing on the T-Series YouTube channel and radio simultaneously every Saturday in the morning at 9 p.m. So stay tuned for that. This Saturday is Arman and Amal who will be on the show with me. So yeah, I'm super thrilled and I am still waiting for your questions. Alright.
So somebody else also asked if there is any secrets around Indie and Hum
Baby.
season 2 that you want to disclose on your live today. Any secrets around you or the whole season?
Lot of secrets will be revealed on the show, so you guys have to watch the episodes because, as I said, hi Shobita, my sister Shobita is here, my cousin. Lots of love. So yeah, there are going to be a lot of secrets revealed. I don't know about me or no, but definitely about all the guests who are going to be on the show. Sachet Parampara, it was a blast to deal with Sachet and Parampara on the show. They are the newly married couple and they're totally killing it with their music.
राज्यपाल की footage.
Yeah, so they were really fun and we get to know a lot of their Shadi ka inside stories also. And with every artist, whether it was Milind, Jubin, Guru, Badshah, Dhwani, Palak, Arman, Amal, Yo Honey Singh. Yeah, everyone, you will get to know so much about them, so much more about them.
ठीक है.
Other than their music. Tanishq Bagchi is also on the show. Rochak Kohli, my music director of Main Jis Dil Bula Dun, is going to be with us on the show. So yeah, I'm super thrilled about all my friends and all the indie artists who are going to be on this show. What is the surprise Tulsi and beautiful Phoebe? Aradhya is asking.
So a lot of your fans had given their phone numbers and they got a call and they were excited to know what was it.
Oh.
The fan question is.
So, actually, if you all use the hashtag
Boltiri
Ask
News.
Tulsi Kumar, you can actually connect with me through the show. So as you watch the episodes, you all can continue to do that and ask me any questions with the hashtag either under YouTube or under any of the social media posts of that particular episode, and you all will receive a call and I will be answering that question. So yeah. एक याद पुरानी, you know, this entire show you will hear me do a lot of unplugged songs and a lot of songs that are sung by me, a lot of songs that are sung by my friends. तो मैंने ऐसे भी काफ़ी गाने किए हैं, like and of course I've done my songs like नाम तेरे नाम तन्हाई, मैं जिस दिन भुला दूँगी हमने नशा किया है, मेरी आशिकी, नहीं जाना, ज़रा ठहरो. So a lot of unplugged versions you guys will be hearing, of course, of all the independent tracks, and that's how the show starts. So, yeah, I'm giving it all away in this live. बाद में Red FM वाले मार देंगे. All right, thank you guys. I think I've answered enough, and I've actually spoken enough. You guys give Indie Hai Hum Season 2 all your love, because this show is for all the independent artists out there, and I truly and genuinely believe that जितने भी indie artists हैं, you know, they are very active on their social media, their YouTube. They all deserve to be in the forefront.